My name is Ken Kohler, Jr. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada.
My name is Samuel Navarro. I'm from South Los Angeles.
My name is Terry Ohm. I'm from Anaheim, California.
Isaiah Willis. I'm from San Diego, California.
My name is Jesus Bisuet. I am from Kennewick, Washington.
Robbie Bowles from Tampa, Florida.
Luke Thomas from Dallas, Texas.
I decided to come to the detail training seminar to up my game in the detailing industry. If you're not certified, then you can't ask for the prices that you want.
I came here to sharpen my skills, gain an edge over the competition, and something I want to get into. So, I want to learn from a professional.
I love cars, and I always want to extend my knowledge on detailing. Keep my car clean and maybe have my own business.
I did my research and I found that you guys were the most credible, offered a lot for a good price as well.
Because I want to learn something different and be a professional doing everything what I do.
To learn more about the business and to do it the right way, because I actually jumped into it backwards without knowing the business part of it.
So had some experience in washing cars, but wanted to start my own business, but didn't want to go out to the public without being certified, and needed to learn more about the polishing and the waxing.
The business class, I thought I was pretty knowledgeable in the business aspect, but when I got here, it definitely put me in perspective on what I didn't know and what I will take from this class and move forward with.
Business class, definitely, I did learn a lot of things that I can apply to any business, not just detailing. Something that maybe the competitor is not doing that I can do. So there's another edge there as well.
It was great. It was great. I learned a lot of stuff. Like I said, I'm glad I'm here, and I hope I can take that knowledge to make my own business, maybe have my own products.
I thought it was awesome, actually. I learned a lot. I feel like that's the most important side of starting a business as well, so that was very helpful.
I was very impacted how you guys design these programs, helping everybody and do a better.
A lot of information, overwhelming, but I'm gonna take what I learned and apply it and jump in.
So the business part of it was very good. I was prepared with a lot of the knowledge, but there was some things that were really important that you can't find on the internet, and you had to find it in the class. And it brought me a different perspective, and I went home and did some more research on it.
Hands-on training, and I think you got your money's worth. Okay. It was great. All the different equipment and chemicals used that I will be using as well in the future. It was great to actually have hands-on training with those actual chemicals.
Oh, I enjoyed it. I was familiar with detailing already, but I did learn some shortcuts, how to speed up the detail. It saved me a lot of time. I did get familiar with a lot of new equipment that I wasn't using before, so that's definitely something that I did enjoy.
It was cool. You guys are so interactive. You guys, all the Detail King trainers, you guys have so much knowledge. So yeah, I'm really glad.
I loved it. I like detailing. I've liked it for a while. I enjoy it. So that part was very fun to me.
Actually, I really like it. I enjoy it. And actually, if I had a chance, I can do. I would like to do more than we do this today.
It was good.
So the hands-on training was very good. It was things that I was expecting to see from an institution like this. And the instructors are very hands-on. We have a good sized class with a lot of instructors, so we all had a good chance to do everything on the car.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely, 100%. My advice to you, if you're going to jump into this industry, definitely do your research and find a credible institute to go to, like I did, and I wouldn't change anything.
100%, I would. It's always good to learn something new, something from a different perspective, from professional people that have been doing it for over 20, 35 years. So it's always something you can learn.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Absolutely, I already have a few people in mind I want to refer.
Definitely, honestly, I refer anybody who asks me how was the job, how was the training, I say, oh, I recommend.
Absolutely.
Yes, and that's what was my plan was with this class, but some issues happened. So next class, I should expect one of my buddies to be here.
Jesus, where you at? Come on up. There you go. Thank you. These aren't in any order, by the way. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Terry. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Ken. Yes. There you are. Thank you. Luke. Congratulations. Thank you. Sam. Congratulations. Sir. Thank you very much. Robbie.